Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that your body needs for processes like DNA synthesis, energy production, and central nervous system function. Even though the vitamin found in many foods, B12 insufficiency and deficiency are relatively common. This is often due to limited dietary intake, malabsorption, certain medical conditions, or use of B12 depleting medications. In fact, studies suggest that up to 20% of people over the age of 60 are deficient in vitamin B12 all over the world. Unfortunately, B12 deficiency is often overlooked and misdiagnosed. Oftentimes, this is due to the inadequate laboratory testing or because of the symptoms are not specific to vitamin B12 deficiency alone. This video covers 9 of the most commonly reported symptoms related to vitamin B12 deficiency. Remember, we are not doctors. This video is made for education purposes only. First is fatigue. If you are low or deficient in B12, you will likely feel fatigued. Your body cells need B12 to function properly. As such, having inadequate B12 levels can decrease normal red blood cell production, which can impair oxygen delivery. Second important symptom is pale or yellow skin. Another sign that can indicate B12 deficiency is pale or yellow skin. Like the condition called iron deficiency anemia, anemia-related B12 deficiency may make your skin pale due to lack of fully matured and healthy red blood cells in the body. Third important symptoms are headache. B12 insufficiency and deficiency can lead to neurological side effects including headaches. In fact, headaches are amongst the most commonly reported symptoms related to B12 deficiency in both adults and kids. Depressive symptoms. B12 is essential for the proper functioning of your central nervous system, and a deficiency in this nutrient can impact your mental health. Specifically, B12 deficiency is associated with a greater risk of developing depression. Next important symptom is gastrointestinal issues. A B12 deficiency may also cause diarrhea, nausea, constipation, bloating, gas, and other gastrointestinal symptoms. These issues can affect both adults and children. Mind though that these symptoms are non-specific and could be caused by other factors. For example, food intolerance, medications, and infections could lead to diarrhea. Difficulty concentrating and mental impairment. Because of a deficiency in B12 negatively impact the central nervous system, people with low or deficient B12 levels may feel foggy-headed and have difficulty concentrating and completing tasks. Pain and inflammation of the mouth and the tongue. Glossitis is a medical term that refers to an inflamed, red and painful tongue. It can be caused by a vitamin B12 deficiency. Parasthesia in hand and feet. Parasthesia is a medical term that refers to a burning or a pin and needle sensation in certain area of the body like hands and feet. Many adults and kids who have B12 deficiency report experiencing parasthesia. Vision disturbances. B12 deficiency may cause vision disturbances, possibly due to damage of an optic nerve. If you suspect you might have B12 deficiency, it's important to visit a healthcare provider to discuss your symptoms and undergo appropriate testing. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.